Hey, what is up, guys? So, today I want to talk about the power of promoting affiliate offers in your email list and why you should promote affiliate offers to grow your email list. But before we get into that, I want to go into promoting your own course as what we left off yesterday. So, yesterday we were talking about the steps of what it takes to create your course and market it. Well, now I want to talk about the launches. The launches can be used as a powerful tool that can generate a lot of revenue for your course or any affiliate course or any affiliate offer that you promote. And the power how to use launches is transforming the launch into an exciting event. And how do you get an exciting event? Well, kind of like movies and trailers, how they all leak information and they build the hype of the course. It's build the hype of a movie. Is how you build the hype of a course. So you continue to say, hey, make sure you register for this event. There's gonna be A, B, C going over this, going over how you can do this to that. Basically, putting in a lot of aha moments. Aha moments are like moments where you're like that's what I needed to know, that makes sense. I didn't think of it like that. It's like a different perspective. So if you put those aha moments in the trailer or in the hype, then that will make your promotion a lot more exciting, a lot more it will make people a lot more curious to go to the event. Make people a lot more curious on seeing the value that you can provide behind that event or from that event. And you can make a lot of sales during this because, like I said about affiliate offers, if you promote affiliate offers, if you promote these affiliate offers and build relationships with these people, then they will promote your offer. They will build the hype with you. They will spread the word. And when you spread the word with more affiliate offers, then you get more people to the event. You build more hype. You build a lot more engagement, and you build a better group. Say if you have a Facebook group, just like how we're doing right now, or you have an Instagram, YouTube, or whatever, and you promote it on all these social platforms, but you also have affiliates that promote on all these other platforms, then you're only building a snowball effect. And the more affiliates, the better. So, the only challenge from having a powerful launch is just maintaining relationships with these affiliate offers, with these people that have affiliates. And there's different ways you can have them promote. You can either build a relationship, which is easy, just commonly building a relationship, seeing how they are, seeing what they do, promoting, giving value to them, promoting their content, they'll promote yours. Or you can give them data saying you'll get X amount of dollars for per click. You get $3 per click. So if they promote you on their email list, and they will get $3 per click, and they have like a $500 people on their email list, so they're about $1,500 per click. Then it's a no-brainer because there's a win-win. There's a benefit for both. So it depends on how you come about on having affiliates to promote your offer. Either you give them a win-win perspective, or you build a relationship with them and promote their offer. Because if you do anything, the main thing you want to do is ask yourself, how am I giving them value before you asking them to do something for you? I call it the return on investment, ROI, because you are doing them a favor first, and then they'll do you a favor by promoting your course. And I'm telling you, the power in launches it's very real. That's what a lot of my mentors have taught me. A lot of event-based marketers do. They promote these courses, but they have other people promote it for them, and it builds leverage, and it builds hype and excitement and engagement for the course, for the event. And in the end, they'll be having the course that that's all the hype for it. That's what they'll be selling and making a bunch of revenue off of it. But list building, also I want to get into list building. So that's the importance of having affiliate courses, affiliate people promote your course, is that you build network and it establish authority, builds a better audience, more engagement, and there's more people that can be intact because the word is spreading more and more and more. And this is all through email, or what I'm saying is through email. There are many ways you can do it if you want to go through Facebook group, YouTube, through all that, but I'm talking about email. And I'm saying the list building, if you promote a course or whatever, an affiliate offer through your email, then they will promote it through their email as well. So if they have 1,500, that's what I mean, $3 per click. If they have 500, $3 per click, they make 1,500 per click. But the importance of list building, if you have 500 to 5,000 or 500,000, it's still going to be the same energy that you use to broadcast email. So if you're trying to promote this course or this affiliate course, it will be the same amount of energy from 1 to 500,000 people on your list. So having an email list is a very good asset and is the backbone of your business. Having an email list is a great way to provide value to your customers, to your audience, and also to build relationships with them. You don't want to just be promoting, because over time they're going to be seeing it and seeing that this guy is just trying to make money off of me. He's not trying to get anything in return. He's not trying to give us back anything in return. He's just trying to monetize the heck out of his list. And over time, you'll see a lot of people leave. So it's very important that you see your course or whatever, you have a better perspective on building a relationship first, and you promote these affiliate offers. And when you promote these affiliate offers, you expect a return on investment, that they will do the same thing for you. But that's what I want to talk about today, the importance of having affiliate connections in your email list to grow a better launch, because it can be used as a powerful tool to leverage your business. That's all for today, guys. Hope I provided you a lot of value. Continue to stay on. Every day we're going to be going live. So, peace.